Today I'm leaving Boracay, and last night it rained quite a bit. No, this is not a river. This is near the Ambassador Hotel, near Station 1 in Boracay. But yes, it's like a river. A lot of tricycles weren't passing this way this morning because of this.
That's right.
And single bikes, none of them are passing by. They'll just break down. Absolutely flooded. Only one night of rain. And the roads down here are bad enough anyway. Already bumpy. Last thing you need is a load of rain and floods. In this area of the road there's been no progress at all, not since last month. No work done at all. Just here the road starts. From here on, the road isn't bad. But as you can see, from Station 1 going up to City Mall, it's really bad, the road. And now it's flooded like hell. Almost impassable. So thanks for watching from a very flooded Boracay.